Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about a product that's been flooding social media feeds lately. It's called the Coolizi Portable AC. You've probably seen the ad. They show this little compact device blowing cool air into a room, promising to replace your entire air conditioning system without any installation. So the big question is it actually legit or is it just another overhyped gadget? Let's break it down. So first, what is Coolizi? According to their website, it's a portable climate control device that can both cool and heat your room without any installation needed. They say it works for homes, offices, and bedrooms, and it's being marketed as this simple, affordable alternative to traditional air conditioners and heaters. Sounds great on paper, right? But when you start digging into the details, some serious red flags start showing up. The biggest claim on their page is that this device can cool or heat any room in minutes and cover up to around 550 square feet. That's a decent sized room, and all of this without needing to install anything or vent it outside. Now, here's where I have a problem with that. Any real air conditioner works by pulling heat out of the room and exhausting that hot air somewhere else, usually through a hose vented to a window. If there's no exhaust, where is that heat going? It's not disappearing. A device without an exhaust hose simply cannot cool a room the way a real AC can. It's just physics. And yet, nowhere on the page do they give you a BTU rating, wattage, or any actual technical specs that would let you verify their claims. That alone should make you pause. They also claim the device uses ultra-low energy while simultaneously providing powerful cooling, powerful heating, and covering large spaces. I want you to think about that for a second. Powerful cooling needs significant power. Powerful heating needs significant power. If you're doing both effectively across a large room, your electricity usage is going to reflect that. A product claiming maximum performance with barely any power draw is either using those terms very loosely or not being fully honest with you. And without any real power consumption data or performance certifications, you just have to take their word for it. Now, let's talk about what actual buyers are saying, because this is where it gets really telling. At the time of making this video, there are only 4 reviews available, and every single one of them is negative. Customers are saying that instead of an air conditioner, what they received was essentially a basic fan with little to no real cooling effect. People are reporting misleading advertising, unexpected charges showing up on their bills, and extra products being added to their orders without clear consent. There are also concerns about the authenticity of the positive reviews on the company's own website, with buyers suggesting those reviews might not be entirely genuine. Here's another thing that caught my attention. This exact same product is being sold under several different names: Epicooler, Breezamax, and a bunch of similar sounding names. When you see the same product popping up under multiple brand names with the same exaggerated claims, that's a big sign that something is off. And this brings us to the real story behind Coolizi. This product is what's known as a dropshipped product. What that means is these websites aren't manufacturing anything. They're sourcing a generic product from Chinese wholesale platforms like Alibaba, where this same device is available in bulk for somewhere between $5 and $10. They then run aggressive ad campaigns full of miracle claims, slap a new brand name on it, and resell it to you at 5 to 10 times the original price. That's the business model. So at the end of the day, is Coolizi an outright scam? Not technically, you will receive a product, but based on everything, the unverifiable claims, the lack of specs, the overwhelmingly negative reviews, and the dropshipping model, there's a very real chance you're going to pay a premium price for what is essentially a basic fan. The product itself might not be a scam, but the marketing absolutely is misleading. My honest advice: save your money. If you genuinely need cooling for a room, invest in a proven product with real technical specifications and proper customer support. Don't let flashy ads make that decision for you.